Woo! Hey everyone, this is Gerald from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Robinhood's in trouble, guys. Looks like Robinhood has got sued. They lost and they're paying somebody out, guys. So we're going to talk about that and what does that mean for Robinhood's platform. And also we're going to talk about the Bitcoin price and we're going to talk about the old coins. We're going to talk about Dogecoin in the house. We're going to talk about the Shiba Inu in the house. And we're going to look at some of the TA and some huge tweety tweets that are coming out right now. And, you know, it's really a mixed bag out there. Now, you guys have to wake up and remember that we got the CPI data coming out on Wednesday, guys. So do not expect too much of the retail investors to be aping in. We're seeing that tech stocks have been selling off like crazy. Luckily, yesterday we saw that, the S&P 500 did come back. So that is really good news in the house. We're going to be looking at the pre-markets, guys. We're going to see if they're going up. They're going to be seeing if they're going down, guys. But Robinhood's in trouble, guys. Robinhood is absolutely in trouble. We're going to jump into that. And guys and gals, remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just an OG in the house, guys, expressing my opinion. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only, and this is not financial advice, guys. So hopefully you guys understand that. You've been told, guys. You've been told. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's jump into it right now, guys. Let's get it while we can. It's a great time to absolutely be alive. Let's get it, guys. Oh, and by the way, do me a favor, if you're loving this content like I'm loving you guys, I'm loving you and you and you and you out there, don't forget to go down there, smash the likey. It looks like that. Takes about 5 seconds. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you're loving this content like I'm loving you guys out there. And don't forget to subscribe, YB, and now until you, boom, subscribe, guys. And don't forget to give a comment. I'd love to hear what you got to say about the OG in the house. And do go back and watch some of my other previous content in the house, guys. So let's jump into it without any further delay. So we're seeing right now, at time of recording, remember, by the time I record it, get up to, could be a little bit of a delay. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is showing some positive signs of life. Bitcoin needs CPR. Bitcoin needs CPR, guys. So it looks like Ethereum as well is still definitely Ethereum. Bitcoin just turned red in front of my eyes. So I better not stop talking about Bitcoin. So we can see that on the heat map, we're seeing most of the old coins are down. Most of Bitcoin is down, but it's just like neutral right now. 0.6% is not too bad in the house, not too shy. So let's take a look at the pre-markets in the house. So pre-markets are looking pretty good. We're seeing some green, guys. What is that color? So we're seeing some green in the house, and that is a positive sign. And I love to see green. So hopefully that when the markets open up, we don't get some Debbie Downer news in the house and that things will be going up, guys. So it looks like Robinhood is in trouble. 27-year-old truck driver just became Robinhood's first big headache, guys. First big headache. So it looks like, the simple Ferner arbitration awarded a $30,000 brick through the wall of Robinhood's legal citadel. So this is some guy, 27-year-old guy out there. He filed a complaint with the Financial Industrial Regulator Authority and ruled that the zero commission trading platform was liable for $29K, guys. So he won. So it looks like in compensatory damage to Joe Bautista in the house is a retail investor who filed a complaint in May alleging that he suffered significant investment losses due to Robinhood's decision to restrict trading on certain meme stocks. And, the only meme stock at that time was the Doge or. So he's alleging that, because of this whole short squeeze that happened and that, remember Robinhood, they turned off their trading platform, right? Remember that? And so he sued the pants off them and he won, guys. So this is the little guy taking Robinhood down, guys. So Robinhood CEO, if you're listening there, shame on you. You lost. And we got Jose Bautista in the house, the big winner. So I'm sure that when this is set a precedent, right? This is absolutely set a precedent, and this means that the online broker is going to get hit more than once or twice with being sued. So for starters, but Bautista's case against the 13 billion online broker was a narrow, specific, choosing to focus on how the restrictions impacted his shares in headphone maker costs and other stuff, guys. So we're saying that this is going to be life-changing, and for him, and also GameStop, guys, and also Dogecoin in the house. So it looks like that, you know, a lot of people are going to be chiming in now. I'm sure that people are going to be suing the pants off of Robinhood in-house, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in right now, we can see that right now, JP Morgan, a lot of people are very bullish. A lot of JP Morgan, the clients, are very bullish about Bitcoin. It looks like the majority of JP Morgan clients are saying that we could see a $60,000 Bitcoin coming in. 41% people said that Bitcoin could be hitting $60,000 in 2022. So hopefully that happens. 23% said 20,000. 20,000 now. Debbie Downers. And 40% said 20,000. But the majority said around about 41% said 60K. We even had some people who said 9% at 80K. Hopefully the 9% is right, guys. I'd love to see that. You'd love to see that. So, guys, this is just an interesting factoid. And you can see that in 2021, we saw when Bitcoin was at 40K, we were in extreme greed. So this is back in 2021 in January. We saw Bitcoin in extreme greed, guys, and everybody was loving it. Everybody was like, "Yeah, we're going to the moon." But here in January, let me get my coffee. I'm back. Gotta get my coffee. So we're seeing that in January 8, 2020, almost like a year later, people are like, "It's the end of the world, guys. It's the end of the world." So we're actually seeing the fear and greed right now. And today is the 11th, so exactly on the same date, we're seeing that fear and greed is at 21, guys. So that is kind of interesting how, you know, the sentiments can change on a dime. And it's because all the spoiled wet Nancy's out there, when they saw Bitcoin go up to 60,000 and it dumped down to 40,000, people are like panicking now. It's like, oh, it's the end of the world. It's the end of the world. Guys, sometimes you just need to take the time to zoom me out, guys, and you can still see that overall Bitcoin, I think, is still looking pretty healthy. Sure, we've had some peaks, we've had some valleys, but right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is trading at 41,769. We got 5 days and 14 hours left, guys. I got to take some coffee. Gotta get some. I don't have the OG mug to mug. As you guys know, I moved from Da Nang to Hue to open up this resort, and I left my OG mug to mug. The aliens over there in Da Nang, and I'm over here in Hue. So I left all the good stuff out there. I think I'm gonna have to, you know, take a 2-hour drive over to Da Nang, pick up the alien, bring him back, because whenever we had the alien, we were pretty bullish, guys. So we're seeing that Bitcoin's trading at $41,744. We got 5 days and 14 hours left, and hopefully we can see a green candle forming. That would be really good, guys. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is still holding up between its 42,000 and 39K level. And, you know, today we were above 42,000. We got to 42,000, got rejected a little bit here. But I'm bullish, guys. Remember, we've got the CPI data coming out on Wednesday. Also, too, I got some proof to show you that we're going to see a huge short squeeze coming around about the 14th of January, guys. And I did tell you in previous video that we could see between the 9th and 18th of January a huge breakout for Bitcoin, and we still have time, guys. So we're going to talk about this huge short squeeze that's coming, guys, absolutely coming in the house. So we're going to talk about that. And some other stuff that's coming in on Twitter right now. You know, this is from Trader from the North. Basic TA says that this is a support zone. So we're seeing some huge support zone in this level. And that is between the like the $44,000 and $39,000 level. And we've seen here that in March and May, this was a huge resistance zone here in 2021. And this became support, guys. This did flip support. And we're seeing right now, this is becoming a resistance zone here. We blew through it. Here. We went down. This became huge resistance here and here. We blew through it again. We did have a low here, but this, in my opinion, is acting as huge support. As I said, between, you know, this is saying between 44 and 39. I believe the support zone is a little bit narrow between 42 and 39 in the house, guys. So hopefully we'll see a reversal, guys. So it seems that, Basic TA says that this is the support zone and likely where Bitcoin stops and turns around. Many ways to get fancy, interpret Bitcoin, but never lose track of the basic TA. So basically, this is our support zone. We're going to get a bounce from here. We have seen Bitcoin bounce again from this level before here. We've seen Bitcoin bounce up again. So guys, this is looking pretty good, guys. From that perspective, I see this as a huge support area for Bitty. And you can see right now that Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, this is the S&P. Hello. The S&P, yesterday we saw S&P hit an all-time high. So what the heck is happening to Bitcoin? Why is Bitcoin not showing all-time highs? It's just a matter of time, guys. Retail investors are sitting on the sidelines while the whales, the smart money, keeps buying. And, we got CPI data coming out soon. And I believe that this whole CPI data, you can see here, if you look at the CPI data for December, we're seeing that the previous was 6.8, guys. And the consensus is that the CPI data, we're going to hit 7. The forecast is 7.1. So let's see what happens on Wednesday if this is actually right. Now, if the CPI data is lower than 6.8, you're going to see the markets absolutely shoot to the moon, and this will be huge in the house, guys. So let's see how that pans out, guys. Let's see absolutely how that pans out. So let's take a look at this, guys, in the house. And this is from Steve in the house, and he's seeing the experimental chart idea I've been working on. The 2.272 Fibonacci comes close to peak every time, but what if there was something else? So you can see he's kind of saying right here that as we approach this 2.72 Fibonacci level, that we could see Bitcoin breaking out, guys. So we're seeing that from here to here, we're seeing 757 days, and it's about 45% longer. And we did see that Bitcoin did hit this Fibonacci level. Previously, it took 528 days to get there. We're seeing that it's 756 days to get to this critical Fibonacci level. And if we do reach this critical Fibonacci level, as he's indicated, this would take Bitcoin to $220,000 in the house. So right now, we're right here, and he's expecting that this is going to be the bounce-off point that could take us up to, around about 69,000. Then we could bounce back down to around 48K. Then that would take us all the way up here to about 102K. We'll see a bounce down to just under 90, and then we could see a bounce up to 320K, guys. So when that happens, it's going to be huge, guys. And we've seen this kind of pattern happen before, and we've seen this whole, this took 350 days to get here. We're seeing 515 days to get here. So I really believe that we could see us hitting this Fibonacci level sooner than later. And I still think that springtime is going to be a huge big deal for Bitcoin in the house. What do you guys think? Smash the like, subscribe. I still think that this pattern is going to be printed, guys, and it's going to be cool and huge in the house. So Bitcoin returns to 42K as bets start favoring a short squeeze higher for Bitcoin. So if we look at this Twitter here, we can see all these options expiration, and what he's saying is his largest options expiration continue to be 14th of January 2022 and 28th of January. So it looks like that we have a max pain level located around between 44K and 50K respectively. In the last 24 hours, the calls prevail. This indicates a possible uptrend for the next coming weeks, and top traded instruments are 50K calls for 28th of January. So what this indicates is that we could be seeing a huge short squeeze for Bitcoin coming in, guys, and we can see that the open interest right here, we could be seeing a huge short squeeze coming for Bitcoin, and that could send Bitcoin up to the 44,000 and 50K level. And 14th of January, we're going to see we could be seeing a short squeeze that could put and push Bitcoin up to 44K. Then we could see another short squeeze coming around January 28th, and that could push Bitcoin above 50,000, guys. So this is huge, guys. So once again, we're seeing that the long leverage positions right now are very thin. We're still seeing though 100K in longs and 23K in shorts happening, guys, but we're seeing that the amount of leverage long positions right now is simmering down. But I believe, as this tweet says, that this Friday we're going to see a huge amount of calls and puts, and calls are going to happen, and we could see a short squeeze happening on the 14th and 28th, and that could send Bitcoin to the moon, guys. So Central Bank of Bahrain trials JP Morgan's blockchain and token. So it looks like JP Morgan is going to release its own blockchain token. So wow, Jamie Dimon in the house. You were Debbie Downer, but it looks like your companies, you guys are going to launch your own token. You're now testing it in Bahrain, guys. What is going on with JP Morgan? Like I said, They're the masters of FUD and deception in the house, guys. So it looks like, JP Morgan, they're going to be launching their own blockchain and token very soon. Isn't that surprising, guys? And these are the ones that are saying that, blockchain is no good and crypto is no good. And then they always have these reversal. So if you look at the 20-week moving average on the heat map, you can see here that often in the past, the best areas to buy Bitcoin is between the purple and the blue areas. Now we're seeing the dark blue areas, and the area you want to be selling is up in the red. So what this is saying is if we look at the 200-week moving average heat map, it is telling us that this is a perfect time to be buying, guys. And absolutely we should be buying. And get ready, guys, because I still think there's a huge pump coming for Bitcoin. And when that happens, we're going to see the doge happening. We're going to see a ton of stuff happening. And even if we look at the Bitcoin the log chart, we can still see, even if we follow this pattern, and I talked about in this previous video, right here, and if we move out and follow this pattern right here, it looks like that 22nd of February, and if we keep going, in March, we could see 44K, keep going. And we could see 4650K coming in very soon, guys. So this is a huge win, guys. And I'm just following. That's if Bitcoin doesn't go anywhere on the log curve and it just keeps staying in this range. We could see 59,000 coming in by April, guys. So this is bullish, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin again. It's still trading at 41,735. And let's take a look at Bitcoin again here on the daily. It's still at 41,942. I think that if the markets in the U.S. go green, and if the CPI data is coming out positive, we're going to see a huge explosion to the upside. I believe it. You should believe it. We're seeing Phantom right now. Phantom is at $2.29, $2.30. Looks like it's making a move, guys. Looks like it's going to be breaking out to the upside. And if we look at Doge right now, Doge is at 1436. It's still continuing to break down, and it's trying to get above this 15.23 resistance. I think it's going to make a move. I'm positive, guys. I'm absolutely positive. Just keep holding, guys. Do not panic in the house. I think that crypto is looking like really not good right now. I don't want to say a bad word, but it's not looking good right now. Keep holding, guys. Do not panic. Absolutely do not panic in the house. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu in the house right now is starting to make it made a small move to the upside, as you can see here. It made a small move to the upside here. It got some support around about this level right here. Around this level, got some support. Then it moved up, and it looks like we're moving up in this direction slowly, and we're probably going to go sideways. Then if Bitcoin makes a move, we could see ourselves retesting this 34 level. So that's what I think is going to happen. Let's see. Remember, TA is often wrong. It's an 80-20 rule, right? Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens out there. Everybody, I'm not going to say guys anymore because some people it drives you nuts when I say guys and gals. I mean people, you guys, everybody, girls out there, everybody. Just whoever's watching, guys, smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to, if you're watching, don't forget to give a super chat. So we're seeing Ethereum right now is at 3,100, and it's just been going sideways. We're seeing the markets going sideways, which I think is good. We're not seeing the markets crashing to the downside. We're just seeing a lot of lateral range boundness like a spring coiling up, and I really think that we're going to see a huge bounce to the upside coming soon. Now, Chainlink has given up a little bit of its profits right now. It's at 26.77, but overall, we can still see we're being supported by this descending line here, and I think this is a good place to be. And I think if we look at here, we're going to see that we have this support here. And you can see this has been a point of conversion right here. This point of conversion right here acts as this huge support. And I think the worst case scenario, we could probably see it go back down to 25 here and then hit this line here and move up to the upside. So I'm still pretty bullish about Chainlink in the house. And Chainlink is defying the odds right now, and it's looking pretty good. So if you look at the OG portfolio, this is not financial advice, this is the OG in the house, guys. And our portfolio is still up. We're still up 51%, even though things are going down and going down. So overall, it's okay, guys. I think that we're going to see Bitcoin go up this Friday. We should see a pump happening. And I think also on the 28th of January, we're going to see another pump. I'm hoping by January 28th, we can see Bitcoin at 50,000. That would be huge in the house. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market cap right now. Let me get some coffee. Let me get some coffee. Now earlier the market cap was at 199. This is on Live Coin Watch. Remember, different aggregators are different. This is at 2 trillion. We're seeing the volumes are coming up. We're seeing also the Bitcoin dominance right now is also coming. It's also coming down slightly. And if we look at the coins in the house right now, we can see that Bitcoin is down 0.5%, so at 41,769. Ethereum is at 3103. That's down almost 2%. Coffee time. We're seeing BNB right now is up. It's up 2%. It's at 449. We're seeing Solana is down 5%. But if we go back here, we can see that the total market is down only ever so slightly right now. So hopefully we should have a turnaround soon. Cardano is down again at 3%. I'm going to be buying at $1, guys. I think that's a good entry point. We're seeing Luna is going up, but Luna's still up over 30 days, and it's at 71.22. I still think Luna is a huge bargain right now. I'm going to be picking up some more Luna today. Also, I think that Polkadot, all the layer ones are a huge bargain right now, and Polkadot is at 23.79, so down 4%. We're seeing the Avalanche is also up for the month. It's a huge bargain. It's 20% discount over the last 7 days. It's a huge bargain. I will be picking up more. This is not financial advice. And we're seeing that Doge right now is at 14 cents. 14.3660, and that's down 4.61%. We're seeing that Shiba is also down. Matic is coming back, guys. I think Matic is a huge pickup right now. It's at $2.15, and we're seeing overall, we're seeing a lot of red out there, but we are seeing some projects are starting to turn green, and these seem to be all the layer 1 projects, guys. All the layer 1, layer 2 protocols are looking pretty good, guys. So that's it for this video. I'm going to wrap it up. Don't forget to go to my Twitter, follow. Do it right now, guys. Get on over there, follow. Go down there, smash the likes, show some love in the house, give a super chat. Don't forget to check out the merch, guys. We got the mug, got the backpack. Check out the merch, guys. Check the links below. Don't forget to go to the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. Now, I know that the Wi-Fi Wifey, she's live streaming a new video right now, relaxing guitar music. Go check it out, guys. Get on over there. Hit that button. Do it now. Show some love for the OG, guys. So, I just want to say, guys and gals, be blessed. Go with God. I'll see you in the next one. We'll have another video coming out in about 2 or 3 hours, guys. So I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Be positive. We're going to see $50,000 Bitcoin coming in the end of the month. I'm pretty sure of that, guys. So if you think that's going to happen, smash the likes, subscribe, comment. Let's get it, guys. Woo!